Welcome back to Crypto Fad. Last time we talked about Kart Rumble, it was just a blip on the radar. Today, it's not trending yet, but the early things are starting to show. While the rest of the market is chasing old, tired narratives, Kart Rumble just quietly smashed through the $272,000 mark in its presale. But before we go deep, I'm not a financial advisor, this is for educational purpose only. Crypto presales are high-risk environments. Always do your own research and never invest money you can afford to lose. We are here to analyze the tech and data, not to give financial orders. So say this, let's continue. Today we are doing an autopsy on this project. We are talking Cyberscope Audits, we are talking about the Rumble AI engine that adapts to your skill, and why their stage 2 momentum is a massive signal for those who are looking at the gaming sector. Look at these live stats. We are officially in stage 2. The current price is $0.0035 and the progress bar is sitting at nearly 50%. Once this fills, the price jumps to $0.004. Over $92,000 has flowed into this stage alone. This isn't just about volume, this is organic community backing. It tells you the narrative is sticking. Everyone uses AI as a buzzword, Kart Rumble uses it as an infrastructure. The Rumble AI engines creates adaptive difficulty, meaning the game learns your driving style and changes the track obstacles in real time. But the big brain move here is the licensing. The team goal is to license this engine to other game studios. If they pull that off, RBT isn't just a game token, it's a tech infrastructure asset. That is the kind of a long-term utility that creates a moat around a project. In a world of rug pulls, the audit is your shield. Kart Rumble has fully audited by Cyberscope, one of the top firms in the space. The result, 0 critical issues. They stress tested the smart contracts and they passed with flying colors. For an earlier stage presale, to prioritize a top tier audit before a massive marketing push is a massive green flag for the smart money. You guys asked me to check the socials and here they are. Their Twitter is growing fast and more importantly, the engagement is organic. It's real people talking about their favorite characters like Pepe or Doge in the game. Their Telegram is a beehive, the devs are actually in there answering questions. For a meme gaming project to survive, the community has to be the engine, and this engine is roaring. You actually position yourself. 1. Go to the official site and hit Connect Wallet, use MetaMask or Trust Wallet. 2. Make sure you are on Polygon network, gas fees are basically zero there. 3. You can buy with Matic, USDT or even Kart. 4. Enter the amount, say 100 USDT, and the system shows you exactly how many RBT tokens you get at the stage 2 price. Hit buy now, confirming your wallet and you are in. 5. Once you buy, check your dashboard for your referral link. They offer up to 50% commissions in USDT. If you have a crew, share the link and earn dollars while you wait for the launch. Now you know how to buy, but let's see the most important part, tokenomics. The total supply is 2 billion tokens. RBT powers everything, upgrades, staking and governance. If you check their calculator, the project launch price is 0.035 cents of a dollar. Compare that to the 0.0035 stage 2 price. Plus, they are running a massive affiliate contest with Rolexes and even a Lamborghini for the top promoters. They have the budget and the vision. We are currently in a foundation phase. Next comes the playable demo and the NFT marketplace. Kart Rumble is hitting the sweet spot of meme culture, AI tech and verified security. It's not trending massively yet, but the smart money is already here. If you want to explore the track, the official link is in the description. Stay smart and let me know in the comments which meme character are you racing with. See you in the next one. Bye bye.